Welcome to my channel Hari PS Videos. So today we start the new session. The topic metallurgy. So last part of the chapter metals and non-metals. So metallurgy means the various processes involved in the extraction of metals from their ores and refining are known as metallurgy. In this, we should learn about how the metals are extracted and how the metals are refined and the processes of extraction of metals and refining. Before that, let's understand the occurrence of metals. How the metals are occurred in the nature. How the metals are occurred in the nature. So the earth crust. Mostly all the metals are available from the earth crust. Earth crust is the major source of metals. Seawater also contains some salts like sodium chloride and magnesium chloride. Most of the metals are quite reactive, as we know. Most of the metals are quite reactive and they do not occur as free elements in the nature. Only some of the metals are available in free state. So those elements or those metals are available in the nature in free state. We can call them native metals. So the elements, the metals which are available in the free state. When a metal found in a free state or free element, so it said occur in a native state. So copper, silver, gold, platinum metals are the example for native metals. So copper, silver, gold and platinum. Copper, silver, gold, platinum are the native elements because of they available in the nature free state. Then even some copper also available in other compound state also. There are some examples given here. So copper, iron, pyrites, cuprite, copper glass. Totally copper available in free state. But some of the metals among copper, silver, gold, platinum, copper also available in the form of compounds or the molecules. So due to the most of the metals are reactive, so they won't available in the free state. So they available in the combined state. So these combined with any other non-metals or any other elements in the form of compounds. Only few less reactive metals like copper, silver, gold, platinum are found in the free state. So most of the metals are found in the form of other paying compounds are called combined state. Native state. Combined state in the sense available with the other elements. Free state means available only single in a free state. So copper and silver metals occur in free state as well as in the compound state also. So all the metals are placed above the copper in the reactivity series. The reactivity series are found in nature only in the form of the compounds. So as we know the reactivity series of various metals. So the metals which are found, which are wrote above the copper all the metals are available in the nature in the compound state only, in the combined state only. So right. Now some important terms: minerals and ores. Minerals and ores. What are meant by minerals and what is meant by ores? Ores. Minerals. The natural material in which the metals or the compounds are found. The natural materials in which the metals or their compounds are found in earth are called minerals. So in those minerals we have a metal. So those minerals from which the materials or the metals can be extracted very conveniently and profitably. So we have extract the metals from the minerals based on the percentage of metal present in the mineral. So those minerals having more percentage with no objectionable impurities, with very less impurities. So those metals are very convenient and those are very profitable to extract the metals. So those minerals are called as ores. So an ore contains a good percentage of metal. Metals with no objectionable impurities. So contain more percentage of metal with less impurities are suitable to extract from the minerals. Those minerals are called as the ores. So those minerals having more percentage of metal are suitable to extract. That's why all the ores are minerals. But all the minerals are not ores. All the ores are minerals. But not all the minerals are ores. All are the human being. Very few are the. But all the we are all the human beings. But all the human beings are not good. So this is about and some examples of ores and what are the metals we have to get from these ores. Example: bauxite, Al2O3 plus 2H2O. From bauxite we get aluminum. So aluminum is the most abundant metal in the earth crust. Aluminum, the most common metal in the earth crust, occurring in the most of minerals. However, isn't economically feasible to extract it from most of these minerals. Instead, they are the usual ores from which profitable extract is bauxite, which contains approximately 60 to 70% of aluminum. The most abundant metal from the earth crust is aluminum, but bauxite is the profitable. Then copper, iron, palladium, CuFeS2, zinc blends, manganese, magnesite, magnesium carbonate, Epsom salt, magnesium, horn silver, pyrolusite, manganese dioxide, manganese, hematite, Fe2O3, iron, zincite, Zn, then rock salt, nothing but a carbon salt, sodium chloride, cinnabar, mercury sulfide, mercury, not charcoal, not acid, cinnabar. So is a metal ore. right? Cu2O, Cu. Copper gland Cu2S. Cu2S. So once we observe this table, the ores and the metals. Here we observe that these metals are available in the nature, in the combined state. In the combined state, these available like oxides or sulfides, carbonates, chlorides. So oxides, sulfides, carbonates, chlorides, right? So most of these metals are available in the combined state with the other elements such as oxygen, sulfur, carbonates and sulfur, chlorine. Observe that iron, silver, chlorine, sodium chloride, sodium, iron, silver and carbon salt, chlorine. These metals are combined with the chlorine. See, bauxite, oxygen, then magnesite, oxygen, Epsom salt, oxygen, water, pyrrolate, oxygen, hematite, oxygen, zincite, oxygen, then magnetite, oxygen, right? Then cuprate, oxygen. The remaining see copper, iron, chloride, sulfur, zinc, sulfur, then cinnabar, sulfur, galena, sulfur, then copper glands, sulfur. So most of the metals are available in the combined state. They combined with the oxygen. If it is combined with the oxygen, you can say that the oxides. If it is combined with sulfur, you can say the sulfides. If it is combined with the chlorine, you can say that the chlorides. If it is combined with the carbonates, they are carbonated. So most of the metals are combined and available in the combined state only. So the study of or to know the various processes involved in the extraction of metals from their ores and refining are known as metallurgy. So in previous class 10, then there is one chapter separately, metallurgy, how to extract the metals, what are minerals, what are the processes we have to understand to extract the metals from their respective ores, right? So now let's discuss extraction of metals like highly reactive metals, moderate reactive metals and low reactive metals. What are the processes are involved? So we will discuss in the